Alrighty, we're going to Lowe's. Let's see what we're going to get in here.
Definitely getting a doorknob for the bathroom, which I got locked out of Saturday night.
Yeah, we definitely got to do that. I wish I would have had my phone on me that night. I would have recorded that stuff. He got locked in the bathroom, couldn't get in.
You're welcome.
It's barbecue.
Alrighty, let's go see how it is.
Mm-hmm. Don't usually lock my bathroom, but we had the little Nevaeh with us. I didn't want her coming in while I was taking a shower, so I locked the door. And when I got done, I put my pajamas on, and I couldn't unlock the door. Michelle had to scrounge around for a screwdriver to take the knob off.
Hey, I just took the knob off the door and got him out. I said, do you want me to leave you in there?
But Nevaeh said, don't worry, Papa, we'll save you.
She was so funny. She was so worried about you. She left her cotton candy on the bed because of it. Light bulbs. We got to get light bulbs for my bathroom mirror. We must have passed them.
One like a clear.
Yeah, the clear ones is the one that was in that one. There's two burned out. Those ones are okay. That's probably them. Probably.
They don't look exactly like that. You didn't bring the bulb with you.
No, I should have brought it in. Well, you want to wait then till I look?
This is probably about the best.
That's probably the only thing we're going to find, though. What I'm thinking. Solar lights. Oh my gosh. They have the mushroom lights. And I'm going to have to figure out my thing out there.
Oh, you love that.
I do. I am going to figure out my flower bed out there and get that thing fixed up out there. For sure. Okay. I got one of them. It worked pretty good. I didn't pay much for it either.
That's just a little tall.
Mm-hmm. Where is their door locks and stuff? Might be up here near their doors. Alrighty then. No, you just need one that turns, yeah. It ain't gonna lock you in.
Huh?
That'll work.
There's a purple ones are 13.
Oh, let me look at their paint real quick. Ooh. They got a woman's paint, chill thing.
Huh?
They got a woman's mini chill thing. Yeah, it could be a man's, I guess.
Heavy duty stuff too. That
Yeah, it's heavy duty. Ain't no cheap thing, is it? Just a little toolbox. Once I get my stuff together, I think I might get me one of them. I need a screwdriver set so I don't go through that stuff again. Let me look at their paint right quick. I really don't know what I want to go with, but I gotta paint them bathroom cabinets eventually. Come up with the color I want to go with, and I'll just match that. I still got to get me another shower curtain too. I should have got that pink one the other day. I didn't even think about it. Well, got what you gotta get. Woo, gotta get my sunglasses back on. It is sunny here in North Carolina today, y'all. Feels like he just said that he don't think we're gonna get much more winter. He thinks we're gonna get some springtime coming in. We really never got no snow either.